Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adedoyin. If this is your first time here, I'm laughing because I'm tired. Like I'm so tired. If this is your first time here, my name is Adedoyin. This is not your first time. Thank you so much for coming back. Today is the day after we dropped mom at the airport. So mom's in Nigeria now. She's fine. We drove back from Gatwick Airport. Got home about 4 p.m. ish. We were exhausted. Both me that did not drive and the driver exhausted. And our baby were able to sleep earlier. I didn't sleep until about 11, past 11, just because I couldn't sleep. Sometimes when I'm very tired, I don't end up sleeping, so I couldn't sleep anyways. Long and short, till about 11 ish. Apart from that, I won't go back home. I had to sort things out, obviously, just so that the house looks in order. And also, we got some package delivered before we go home. So apart from that, what else? Let me say something. Yeah. So we dropped mom off. I mean, I didn't cry. The reality is setting in gradually, obviously, because I've been up since 7. Because like yesterday, I just was too tired. I couldn't wash his bottles and stuff. So I just made do with the ones we had. This morning woke up early to wash them before it was time for his next bottle. So I washed them. Not long after that, he woke up, made his food. So I fed him. I was one left for work just before I fed him. So when I fed him, he played a bit and then slept off. So he's sleeping now, basically. So, but now that I'm tired, I took out my cornrows. I have some cornrows that have been in my hair for over a month. Because I want to make my hair. So I took those ones out. And yeah, I'm hoping I can get a little bit of sleep now. But I know the boy is probably going to wake up sometime soon, but I hope he doesn't anyway. But yeah, I plan to do something different with my hair. I got a friend to help me bring this Jerry coil product from Nigeria. So I'm going to trim my hair ends a bit and then do Jerry coil. I know you guys know what Jerry coil is now. Yeah, so it's a thing. People are doing it again. I mean, I don't think he ever really disappeared completely. Every now and then people still do it. Only now, I think nowadays they don't use the curly, what's that thing? The very runny activator. You know those ones that are always very very shiny. That makes the hair look very very shiny and like almost like it's dripping. Yeah, I think they use that again for the hair. Yeah, but they still do it, the curls and all that. So it's called cold perm. It's a cold perm, I think. Yeah. So anyways, I plan to do that. My mom was meant to do it for me actually, but the stuff came late it's going to come late. It's actually supposed to come today. It was supposed to come yesterday. We were not at home when it came. My friend brought it for me from Nigeria and then helped send it down to us. But we thought it would come on Sunday, but it didn't make it. And then yesterday it was supposed to arrive at the house, but we're not home. We're not back from the airport by then. So they'll bring it in today. So I think I'll get my husband to assist me to do it tomorrow, which is Wednesday. And there's something else I wanted to say. Okay, so yeah, I was just talking about how the reality of my mom not being home again is setting in, yeah. Around this time we'll probably be together just downstairs, just first having our first meal and just chatting or maybe just beating the boy or something and yeah. But yeah, I don't know. I'll be fine. Because he's at the stage of like called separation anxiety where like you can't leave him for too long. If you leave him, obviously you can't leave a small boy for too long before, but I don't even leave him for long. Like it's more like okay, I put him on his mat and then maybe I just go grab something from the kitchen. But once you're out of his sight, he starts crying or I want to take my bath. I can't leave him alone. Like I don't even know how I'm going to walk around that. I won't take my bath. I can't leave him alone, obviously. I'll probably get his bouncer, put it at the entrance to the bathroom. Because obviously I don't want him in the bathroom as well because of this team. So put it at the entrance of the bathroom, leave the door open so I can see him. Yeah, we'll walk around everything and those dynamics. But I mean, if my mom was around, usually I would have just dropped him off or watch him while I take my bath, or let him stay with you. I just need to sleep a little bit, or yeah, or I spend the night with him. Can you just hold him for a bit? Yeah, but his dad has this maybe 1 or 2 days every now and then where he's off work. So everything that I need to do personally would have to walk around those days where his dad can hold him, or after his dad is back from work. Anyways, what else do I want to say? That's that. It's still napping. I won't try and close my eyes for a bit. I'll show you guys the Jericho stuff when it comes, and I'll show you guys how we go about doing it tomorrow. Yeah, welcome to this vlog. I've talked a lot already. Yes, I just cleared up space on my camera. Baby is waking up. Just want to say that by the time you guys are seeing this out, I've missed 2 weeks of video. I actually struggled the last few weeks. Yeah, definitely struggled. YouTube is a lot of hard work. I won't even lie, it's hard work. It's hard work because you always have to be like prepared. Everything has to be well thought out. You can't forget to take your camera out. Just always have to plan ahead. Do you get with YouTube? Whereas I find with TikTok, it's more, you can do more in the moment content. A lot of you, TikTok, I created a new TikTok account, and I've been not very active, but I've been active on there, and I realized that I don't have to think too much about it. Most of the content are in the moment. I'm just on my way out, and if my idea comes to mind, I bring out my phone, film, and the next day or even the same day, I just post the content. Sometimes just right there in my room in the evening, I just think of something and I just put it together and post it immediately. So it's less stressful for me. And at the end of the day, I just thought, oh, if my goal is to share with people, share, connect, be open-minded, discuss topics, then that's not a bad platform for me to do it as well. I don't know, I'm not saying anything yet, but I won't even lie, I toyed with the idea of giving up YouTube, or just stopping YouTube last week, because I don't want to be on and off, but it's a lot. Like, I just don't like the idea of not being consistent. I don't like when I'm not consistent, but sometimes it's a lot of hard work, which I don't have the strength for in the moment. Anyways, I'm not giving up. I won't give up yet, because I don't know if I will. I may, but for now, I won't give up yet. I'll still keep pushing. You may have noticed I missed 2 weeks of content before my last video that I posted then came up. Yeah. So what else? Okay, so all that to say, follow me on TikTok. I'll put my TikTok details here. I actually didn't want to share it. I just wanted to grow organically, but yeah, I may or may not post this anyway. I may not say this, but yeah, if you're seeing it, then I said it. You can follow me on TikTok. I'll post the details here. It's just about motherhood, faith, marriage, yeah, just things like that. Just my life basically. What else? By the time you're seeing this, yeah, so that's basically it. My baby is almost up. Okay, I don't think he should be hungry yet, but I'll just make his bottle down just in case. And today, honestly, I'm not sure I'm going to cook anything. I'll just need to vacuum this place when I get the time, and just rest, because we went to Gatwick and I was up at 7 again, so I barely slept 7-8 hours, even though we woke up as early as 4 a.m. to leave the house yesterday. So it's still pretty exhausted. So today I don't think I can do a lot. Yeah, but I'll show you guys whatever I catch up to, I get up to today. Expecting quite a number of parcels to be delivered, but Royal Mail hasn't come, so I'm just waiting to see. I don't like that when I'm sleeping and then they come and ring the bell, or when like this boy is sleeping they ring the bell. So I'm just trying to stay awake so I can just quickly go to the door once I see them. But I'm tired, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Take. It's your food I want to give you. This one. So good. Yum. Fed and ready to mingle. Let me see pacifier. So my package just came in the mail. So I just got my package delivered by Royal Mail. Boy, this aqua should stop disturbing us now. Kilo day. Oh, my baby got a letter too. Wonder who it's from. Oh, probably from your pediatrician. Got a letter, Bobo. Okay, yeah, this is the one from my friend. That's my products for my hair, and I've got my husband's book probably. He ordered some books. Always reading, my husband. Bobo, open daddy's book. Do you want to sit down while I finish it? Yeah. Come on, stay here. You can't sit, so you lie down, okay? You lay down. You can watch mommy still, okay? I know you want me to carry you all the time. You can just watch me. Okay, so that's my husband's book. Just like I thought. That's my hair product. I'm hungry. I had oats for breakfast. Oats and my friend sent me gala. Baba. I was just saying I'm hungry. I saw gala. Ooh, what's this one? Oh, this coconut chips. Oh, what's this? Oh, so thoughtful. I wasn't even expecting anything like that. I thought we went to Nigeria. These coconut chips. This gala as well, I've even been meaning to try because I hear it's like new and improved, like it used to be. Definitely eating this one now. There's 2 galas, so I'll keep one for my husband. Let mommy not be wicked to daddy. Daddy will eat the second one. Plantain chips as well. Yay, snacks. I'll keep some for my husband. I'll definitely message her once I cut this. Once I'm done with this. Thank you so much, babe. If you see this, we appreciate. I need scissors to open this thing now. Yummy. You want me to carry you? Mommy's coming. Just give me 1 minute. I just need to unbox this thing. And I will carry you. So these are the products for my Jerry curl. All the names I've cleaned off. But I think this is the cold perm whatever. This is like the instructions self don't clear. So this is like the cold perm product itself. This is the activator. Okay. activator. That's what I used to like keep the calls popping. What they were, there used to be 4 sets of the product, as in 4 bits of the product. I didn't know it was 2 actually. Okay, so then this is like the, oh, okay, it's not too bad. This is like half of it now, so this should go a long way because it spilled on the way from Nigeria. So yeah, I think this is a neutralizer. You put the core, whatever, put the neutralizer, and then you style it. I thought there used to be like a core booster, yeah, something to core with. But yeah, I'll talk to my sister. She's the one who got them for me. So and my mom to let me know how to use them. I'm definitely going to film tomorrow when we're doing it. So yeah. Yeah, so that's that. Let me just open my gala. See, I'm eating the gala before I even call the person that sent it. The way we used to open it then. Oh, nice. That's broken. If it had not broken, that's it. You just bang the bottom and it will come off. Oh, yummy, yummy. I haven't had gala in well, probably at least 2 years I've not had gala. But over 2 years since I moved there. Just put again. But I can't complain. I can't complain, but can I? I remember there was time that I used to go 3 days, 4 days without pouring and then it would be grunting. So that was when we switched his formula basically. I think I've mentioned it somewhere before. Onto Kendamine. So now it goes at least minimum 2-3 times a day. 2-3 times a day. Most times as much as 4, maybe 4-5. Not like major, massive quantity, just like small. But yeah, can't complain. So I'll just go bait him instead of just cleaning him up. I'll just give him his bath now. And then I'll grab everything the gala already, but I'm still hungry, so I'll then find something to eat. Right? Let's go, Baba. Chiki, Baba, wear this. Baba, wear this today. Every time he gets out of the bath, starts crying. You like your bath, don't you? You like it. I like it. See, you scratched your face everywhere. Hey, baby. What do I need? That's all. I can't find my tripod. I'll try one to set it up. And do like a pepper, get ready with Bobo, but I can't find it, so enjoy that. I'll have to turn the camera up and just drop it. I have to turn off the camera and just drop it while I get him ready because I don't know where to position it. Boom. Boom. Yes. Press it, Baba. Boom. Press it. Boom. After I had this bath, you played a bit and then do it with my hand, Baba. Oh. Sorry. Is it food you want? Food? He had his bath and played a bit and took a long nap. And then woke up. I had his bottle ready, had it and then threw up almost immediately. It doesn't throw up like that. Is it food you want? Yeah, let me go and make another one. You finished the bottle and then threw up probably threw up half of it, if not all the bottle. Probably half, maybe not all, because his belly still has something, but I think he still wants to eat because now it's just cranky. So I think I have to go and make another bottle. Oh yeah, let's go and make another bottle. Another bottle. Baba wants another bottle. This one. This one. This. You want this one? He's looking at me like, why'd you leave me here? Why are you sitting all the way there? So I had lunch like 3 hours ago. Or maybe 2 hours ago. I had noodles and broccoli. So it's Korean chicken noodles actually. So we found, Amazon found that Korean noodles are actually way lower in calories than the Indomie we buy, and the taste is alright. So yeah, we've been buying that. It's not like we eat noodles frequently, but at least when we have to, and the taste is it's not bad. So yeah, so that's what I had with eggs, boiled eggs, and broccoli. I forgot to film that, and yeah, I'm just waiting for his food to cool a bit. I'll go and carry him now. I'm already exhausted. Take a shower. I'll probably take a shower when his dad gets here. Usually that's when I have time to like settle, do my bath time routine well, do my skincare and all that. So I always wait for his dad to come, so that then I'm not rushing or worrying and all. So I do in the evenings usually. Yeah. So I'm going to give him his food now and then just rest. He's going to probably want to play now. I've not slept all through the day, guys. I rarely take naps. I know by night I'll probably have a better sleep tonight than yesterday. Yeah. So I'll probably talk to you guys later in the night. My husband will probably be home soon, so there's soup in the fridge, so we'll just eat whatever we can make from the soup. Cause yeah, today was not cooking day at all. Oh my goodness, is that boy pouring? I just changed his nappy. Like literally after feeding him, I changed him. After feeding him, he threw up. He pulled, then threw up, and then I changed him. And then he threw up a little more, and then he's pooing now. I just hope he has not got some bug or something. So he's about to wake up. This boy showed me shaky today. Just wanted to be held, didn't want me to put him down. I mean, it's like that on a lot of days, but today was just a lot. Probably missing his grandma, maybe. Anyway, I managed to have a shower now, and I've washed my face, done my toner. Yeah, so I'm just putting a bit of serum on my face. I'm out of like a lot of skincare stuff. Basically just have serum and okay, I have tough shabow. I want to get like more stuff, especially like for my serum especially. Because I just have this niacinamide, the ordinary product. Anyway, I was going to say, what was I going to say? Okay, I wanted to wrap up the vlog. This is basically a day in my life, exhausting day in my life with a almost 5-month-old. It's probably going to get up to it in about maybe an hour or less. And when it takes that, you'll probably sleep well into the night, maybe to like 3 a.m. ish, because it's about 10. Yeah, this 10 p.m. now. So if it takes anything now, then it shouldn't wake up for another 4-5 hours. Yeah, I'm exhausted. Just wanted to wrap up the vlog and thank you guys for watching my video. Why is Dad laughing? Thank you for watching this video. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, and I'll chat with you guys in my next video. That's all I have to give. That's all I have to give. I'm barely surviving. Alright guys, talk to you later.